What's up guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your chat history on Claude. As you can see here guys, I'm in the dashboard here. I have a current chat going on, but what if I want to check my chat history? Now on the left hand side, you may have your sidebar collapsed or open like mine. And so if it's collapsed like this, you can simply click this sidebar here and expand it, and you'll also be able to see your recent chats. However, this might not show all your chats. So if you want to really go into your chat history, just simply click on chats here in the upper left, and you will see all your chat history from here, and you can quickly go ahead and click on any one of them, and once you do, you're able to open those chats as well. One super cool thing is that you can go ahead and even delete your chats. You can rename your chats and all these things from here as well. So you can click on that and you can basically delete them, delete one by one and so forth. And also, if you have a whole lot of chats going on here, you can even search for those chats. These are one of the coolest stuff that you can do as well in this section, and you can even start a new chat from here. So that's it guys, very easy and very simple.